Lisa coming out with Rockstar, the rock star herself. She's just more than a pop star. She a rock star. What else? She can be whatever she wants to be, and I'll agree. I don't know. Based on the teaser itself, that 10-second teaser, if you guys haven't seen it, I reacted to it on my like reels in my short form. You guys could check it out on my Instagram. I just run them every day. But I feel like those 10 seconds already say almost everything. Almost everything. I don't know how it actually sounds, but visually pleasing. Oh my god. Before I begin, be sure to check out my Patreon. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. And without further ado, let's just get into this, shall we? Oh my god. There's no captions. It's all English. All right. Well. Wow. Why am I nervous? I'm a grown-ass man. Stop being nervous, Dre. Stop it. In 3, 2, 1.
On a dash, she a rock star.
Damn.
Make your favorite singer wanna rap. Baby La La Lisa, can you teach me Japanese?
Oh my god, them pants. Sorry. La La Lisa, can you what? Teach me something. I don't know. Teach me anything, ma'am.
I said hype, hype. That's my life,
Ooh.
life, baby, I'm a rock star. Been on a mission, but call me, catch and kill. I'm still in diamonds, make them chase me for the thrill.
Oh my god. The way she walks, the way she just talks, the way she sings. Goes Mercedes. Okay, now this part. Wait, hold on. Let me go back. Oh my god, there's so much to talk about. She out here with her crew. Okay. Ooh. Hi. See a light? Ooh, the breakdown. Wait, what? Excuse me. Wait. Make me rock hard. What the? Say that one more time. What?
What you wanna do? Dipping out of big cities like a pontoon. It's a fast life.
Damn, why that beat go hard? It almost kind of remind me like a little, not like Tokyo Drift, but like.
Dipping out of big cities like a pontoon. It's an attitude. Put it on a calendar. Tell me when to come through. Yes, I can spend it. Yes, no pretending tight dress.
I believe.
Oh shit, it's a rapping. Been on a mission.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there.